Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram post from years ago. Now if you are open Instagram, you have deleted a post a very long time ago. Most luckily it are not longer to Instagram survive whatever, and you can't ever request to data from Instagram. They just don't have to anymore. So really the only option you have, open your phone, drop down and find Instagram. It's automatically create on your iPhone, so I can tap on that and you can see I can scroll through these all the photos and videos I have shared on Instagram. They are saved on my camera roll gallery on my phone.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.